Hey folks, Wayne Brown over at the Ram Man. We don't send these out very often. We want to do another video. So, here's our D300. Some people call it a 1-ton. Big old spindle right there. Bearing sleeve goes on. Bearings go on. It's pretty straightforward. There's your two big old GM calipers right here. Here's your two plates. Pedestals. They attach with two bolts directly to the spindle. You see that right there? Mark that one up, down. They mount directly up with pedestals. Real simple. Standard 8 on 6.5. So it fits modern wheels for decades. Then we had a couple of customers years ago. We also have that antique style 6-lug. Great big old 6-lug that you see in the 40s and 50s and some of the 60s. So we're able to equip any 1-ton Dodge. So 100, 200, and the 300s. And here's that behemoth. Guaranteed to stop that buggy. Guaranteed to completely change the attitude of that deal. Along with the power booster. Can't be beat. Some of those videos I got. D100, D200, and D300 is one of the most successful things that I've ever done. God bless you. God bless America. And happy moparing.